Hey guys, welcome to our Tech for Our Mind. My name is 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐥 and in this video I cover the multiple hiring update. And whether you are a fresher, college student, pass out, then I have a job for you because Accenture, Cognizant and HSBC companies hiring for technical and non-technical role both. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will explain you each and everything like what is selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. But before that, DRDO announced no exam hiring. So if you have not applied or check out, then do check out. Second one is the video. Now talking about the first hiring update which is coming from HSBC company. So finally HSBC company has announced hiring for trainee software engineer position, and for this position company is hiring for Pune location. You can check out. Only one location is available. So if you get selected for this position, then you have to relocate to the Pune location. But don't worry, company will provide you very good package and also relocation bonus, which I will explain you in detail. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And one note point, last day for the application is 29 April. So you have only one day left. If you are eligible, do apply for this hiring. Now talking about the qualification first. So company has mentioned if you are engineering graduate, you can check out. If you are engineering graduate, then you are eligible for this hiring, or you have done BE Tech, then also you are eligible for this hiring. But your branch should be CS, IT, AIML, AIDS, cybersecurity or cloud, then only you are eligible for this hiring. And only one passing out batch eligible for this role, which is a 25. So if you are going to pass out in 25 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring. And it's a purely technical job, so you must have knowledge about one programming language because companies itself mention strong foundation in software development engineering with proficiency in at least one object-oriented programming such as Java or Python. So any one of the languages is compulsory because if you get selected, your first round will be coding round, and if you clear the coding round, then only you will get a chance for interview, which will be a technical round and followed by the HR round. Now talking about the salary package, so company has not mentioned any specific salary, but I would like to mention for this position you will receive total 16 LPA, and out of 16 LPA, 15 LPA as a base and 1 lakh as a variable pay. And apart from this, you will receive relocation bonus because you have to relocate to the given location, which will be a Pune, and company will arrange your hotel, flight and everything. And HSBC is a very good company, so I will highly recommend you, if you are eligible, must apply for this hiring. Now talking about how to apply, but I will attach apply link in the description. Just click on the link, then after that the step page will appear and you have to just click on apply option and complete your application. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section. I will definitely help you. Now talking about the second hiring update, which is coming from Cognizant company. So Cognizant company currently hiring for the trainee position. You can check out. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you are already passed out in 22 batch, 23 batch, 24 batch, then all three passing will eligible for this role. But your degree should be 3 years. Means if you done BCA or BSc, then you are eligible for this hiring. And your branch should be CS, IT, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, electronics, then only you are eligible for this role. And apart from this, company have marks criteria also, so you must have at least 50% marks in your 10, 12, UG, PG, whatever you have done. And apart from this, company has mentioned some mandatory document. For example, your resume length maximum till 2 page, not exceed that. This is a very important point. And apart from this, you have to include all your school UG mark sheet or degree certificate when you appear for the interview. So this is a complete detail, and if you are interested, just click on apply now option and complete your application. That's it. Talking about the last hiring update, which is coming from Accenture company. So Accenture company currently hiring for fresher candidate and especially for 2023 and 24 batch. And this hiring is for non-technical background, means if you done BCom, then you are eligible for this role. And it's a kind of direct hiring. You have to share a resume over this given email ID, and I will attach this post link in the description. Just share a resume over this given email ID with the required details. You can check out, this is the required detail. And if you get shortlisted, then HR will revert you and they will schedule your interview if you are eligible. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, then please do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.